Need to add shake effect in VITA app? Then it's pretty simple and a quick process. So here's a step-by-step process on how you can easily add shake effect. Start by heading over to VITA app. Once you're in the home page, tap on New Project. It'll open up the gallery for you. From the gallery, select any of the video that you'd want to add shake effect and edit. Once you have imported, now tap on Effect at the bottom of the screen. Once again click on Effect. Tons of different effects will be available to you. Scroll down and search for the effect of shake. Over here you can see the effect of shaking 9. You can add it if you want to, or you can search it for more. Different shaking effect will be visible. Click on any one of it that you want to add, and then click on the stick icon. Now drag this bar and set it up to where you want to add. And there you can see that the shake effect has been added to this video. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.